Birds of Prey can't reach number one. Yes, Birds of Prey can't reach number one. Despite, people, the stupid critics saying, oh my god, Birds of Prey is a masterpiece. Birds of Prey is a masterpiece. It still is being beat out by the 4K version of 1913, which has been out for 2 months already, okay? Birds of Prey is just nothing but a failure domestically. Nobody really cares about Birds of Prey. And yeah, we have Star Wars The Rise of Skywalker. It's fallen down to number 3. Birds of Prey 4K not even top 5. Sonic Hedgehog, which is coming out next week, is at 8. And then there's the Scooby-Doo leaked version, which for some reason only comes with a Blu-ray, no DVD. Is Warner Bros. Now starting to copy Disney? We'll find out in the next episode of Dragon. Okay, I won't do that. Little Woman's is at 12. Amazon sales don't really directly correspond to sales on Blu-ray. I'm just gonna tell you that. Joker at 13. Downton Abbey. Because there's a lot of people who buy Blu-rays at Best Buy, Walmart, Target, and it's the local stores that sell them as well. And yeah, Downton Abbey's at 14. Trolls World Tour is at 15. Howl's Moving Castle, I think that's a steelbook version, is at 18. Star Wars Rise of Skywalker 4K, nearly out of the top 20. Disney's just not having a good time. Frozen 2's not selling on here either. Bad Boys for Life is at 26. Knives Out 24. Jumanji's at 28. Yeah, Frozen 2 is barely in the top 30. Barely in the top 30. But Frozen 2 is so amazing according to Disney fanboys. People who refuse to accept that Frozen 2 is a pile of crap. The Gentleman is at 34. Tombstone's at 36. Yeah, Justice League Dark. Yeah. The Invisible Man's at 43, but nobody buys horror movies on Blu-ray. It's just something that people just don't do, is buy horror movies on Blu-ray. Pornio, that's a 4K version. Clueless 25th anniversary doesn't. Sonic on 4K. Doolittle. But still, according to numbers, it still beat Little Women. Jaws on 4K. Abominable. Yeah, people are buying that. But yeah, Birds of Prey is just not selling. And some other older movies are on here because there's no new movies coming out. And yeah, it seems that that Top Gun's Ultra is not getting the combo pack either. But again, if you really want to buy Top Gun on Blu DVD, they always assume that you already have Top Gun DVD. I only get angry when it's new movies that have that treatment, especially the Disney logo movies, because Gretel and Hansel, but no one's buying that anyways, because that movie's a pile of garbage. Nobody's gonna buy that in their right mind anyways, except for the woke media and the 5 people on Twitter. So yeah, that's basically it. Goodbye.